because I'm here with my dog, and Jeff Diamond is not here. He's at his house, and yeah, and so yep, I'm gonna cover it. And then look, she's like a guard dog. Look, I'll show you her face. Actually, she's very yep. And oops, didn't mean to. I want to say shout out to Missy and Brian because I watched your videos a lot, and yeah, and watch your videos a lot. Shout out to Missy and Brian. And guys, I just need to tell you something. Sorry, I'm talking so quiet, and sorry, but this is my neighborhood. There's a car. Watch, it's gonna start barking. Turning. Oh man, it was turning. No, come back. There's nobody here. She's gonna start. Watch. She sees another car. She's gonna start. Let's see here. Gosh, another car. Oh man, if it goes straight, then she'll start barking. Look. Just kidding. Hi. Oh yeah, by the way, her name is Precious. Precious. Doesn't matter anymore. So, yeah, guys. So, sorry, this time it's not here, but shout out to them. So, yeah, and so, see you guys later. Last one. Bye.